Hello everyone, my name is Harpreet Kaur Graya and my student ID is 303866990. Today I'm here to present the course reflection of item 5402 enterprise system, and the learning outcome I have selected is importance of the enterprise system to support the business strategy. When an organization invests on the enterprise system, it definitely improves some of the business strategies like improve the productivity, improve profitability, competitive edge. Like an ERP software simplifies and streamlines all of the business operations and reduce the complexity and improve the manufacturing productivity. This result is a stronger profit and happier the customer, and also better it to give us better use of the time and time of the employees. And competitive edge, like any ERP software can give a companies a competitive edge, like an advantage over its competitor, and it also allows the business to provide more flexible and adaptive, save money, thus offer better products and price and sales than other competitor. And enterprise system. What is an enterprise system? Enterprise system is an application software that supports the business process and information flow and reports the data in complex environment. Enterprise system also include the ERP, that stand for enterprise resource planning. It is a large set of the integration application that support the business process, everyday business process, including HR, supply chain, and finance and accounting, and mobile functionality and sale management, and so on. And in this slide, we can see the benefits of ERP. Like there are so many benefits of ERP, and some of them I am going to explain here. Like first one is reduce the cost. It is a very good idea, like for any organization, like ERP reduce the cost, because when we use ERP in an organization, it no need to hire the IT support team and hardware and software. So instead of implementing the hardware and software and to putting money on that, so it definitely help to improve the cost and improve the efficiency and productivity. Like it is a time saving, and so all the team members work on most focus on their work and improve the efficiency of the work and productivity. And data security and quality, like it is a shared database, and data is shared by all the departments of a same organization, and so ERP software have a proper control to check like which department is seeing the data and editing the data. It has a proper control to maintain the data secure and improve the customer service, whether the customer know or not know about it, but it customer definitely gain the better service from ERP. Like a team of an organization main focus on the customer service, like customer like demands, and definitely work properly to fulfill all the requirements of customer. And also it improve the supply chain management and central control, like ERP system has a central control on all of the organization, because it is a centralized unit and control all the department and an organization. Here is a business strategy. What is a business strategy? Like business strategy is a plan of actions and directions in an organization to achieve the goals and objectives. It is just like a master plan that the management of a company implements to secure a competitive position in the market, to carry on its operations, please the clients, and gain the desired goals of the business. Importance of enterprise system to support the business strategies. Here I'm going to discuss the major three main points of enterprise system to support the business strategy. Like first one is the ERP software for strategic planning. In today's complex business area, we need the proper knowledge to establish the proper plan. Like when we planning to establish a new product launch with complete knowledge of unit expected demand in many market sectors, current raw material and labor cost and availability. Like ERP system provide a proper data that enable us to develop and implement strategy with confidence. And the second one is ERP for strategic execution and management. Management can set up an entire production process that is managed at every stage using vital data from ERP. The system also keeps all technical lead informed and up to date with all the information they need to make a good decision and implement and control strategic policy. And the last one is ERP at the heart of business strategy. Like in the conclusion, the manufacturing company's strategy must be focused on happier the clients by making large high quality product at the low cost and getting them to the market for at the best possible pricing. So with the use of the ERP software, all businessmen will be able to achieve all the desired goals. Thank you.